Jesus at the center of it all. Jesus at the center of it all. From the
spirit and release the sound of adoration into this atmosphere. Come on, God is doing something in the spirit as you worship. As you worship, angels are building. As you worship, angels are descending. As you worship, angels are ascending. As you worship, your storehouse is increasing. As you worship, your mantle is being strengthened. As you worship, your gift is being reset. Continue in your worship. Let God take you. I want as many worshipers that want it. When you hear the sound of the shofar, I want you to run to the altar and go into the deepest worship you can. Like the children of Israel going to the mountaintop and expect God to pour something into your spirit before you leave tonight. We are not here struggling. We are worshiping God by law. Your worship is about to carry you into another dimension of victory right where you stand. When you hear the sound, I want some worshipers run to the altar and go into the greatest shout and praise that you can. Come on, take your intensity when you come. Come in power. Come on, believe that God is doing it right now. You are in spirit. God is creating a spiritual transfer. Things that he was operating in the spirit